Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on Bajaj Auto. Our analyst maintains buy rating on Bajaj Auto with a revised price target of Rs 7,567 on its superior profitability, play on premiumization and expectation of a gradual recovery in exports. We believe Bajaj Auto has been plugging the gaps in its portfolio and is playing with a bunch of brand portfolios in multiple segments. It would continue to focus on high margin trajectory on its premiumization play. Stock trades at price to equity multiples of 19.8 times and EV by EBITDA multiple of 14.2 times its FY26 earning estimates. Next, we have an update on Affle India. Our analysts maintain buy on Affle with a price target of Rs 1535 as its strong foothold in the global emerging market, including India, which is 75% of revenue mix, makes it well placed to sustain its high revenue growth momentum. Moreover, the contribution from acquired mobile app marketing platform UAP improves the outlook for developed markets. The company revenue has continued to grow at a healthy rate of 19% and PAT at 16% during first half of FY24, despite high base and headwinds. Strong cash generation, OCF and PAT for FY23, first half of FY24 at 116% and 74% respectively. And recent preferential issues equips the company to aggressively pursue inorganic and AI-related investment. The management expects a shift of 50 to 60% of ad spend toward digital platform in the next 3 to 4 years, driving broad-based growth of around 20% year-on-year for global emerging markets, including India. We expect sales CAGR of 23% and PAT CAGR of 22% over FY23 to FY26. At current market price, the stock trades at 48 times FY25 and 39 times FY26 estimated EPS. For more detailed disclosures and disclaimers, please refer to our research report or contact our nearest branch. Please read the risk disclosure document issued by SEBI and relevant exchanges and terms and conditions on sharekhan.com before investing.
Thank you for watching. To keep up with the latest from Sharekhan, make sure you subscribe to our channel. You can also download the Sharekhan app for all your trading and investing needs. Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.